Hello everyone! Today we are going to do an important chapter in Vedic Maths. So when we learn this chapter, you will feel, why is it so important? It's so easy. Easy things can be important, right? Okay, so this chapter today is going to be how to multiply any number by 11. Now, this technique by itself is very easy. It's absolutely possible to do this mentally, correct? But this technique can be further used to any number which is a multiple of 11. We will see how. But to begin with, let us first start multiply by 11. Let's see. So, multiply by 11. As it is, the table of 11 is not very difficult. But the challenge is when you have to multiply larger numbers. Okay. So, let us see how we are going to do that. For example, if we have 24, we have to multiply this with 11. Correct? The easiest way to do this is you write the 2, you add 2 plus 4, which will give you a 6, and you write the last digit 4. And that's your answer. Getting it? This was a very simple one. Let's take one more question. Let us say 53 multiplied by 11. You write the 5. 5 plus 3 will give you 8. And you have a 3. Correct? So far, it's going very easy. Let's see. 72 multiplied by 11. That will give you 792. I'm sure you're catching up the speed now. So easy. Okay. Let's see. 43 multiplied by 11. That will give you 473. So far, so good. I think you guys are getting the hang of it. Now, the challenge lies when the addition of these two numbers is more than a single digit. What does it mean? For example, you want to multiply 75 times 11. Getting it? So what are we going to do here? You write the 7. You add 7 plus 5, which will give you 7 plus 5 is a 12, correct? 7 plus 5, you will get a 12. 12 is a double digit. You write 1 and 2, 12, and then a 5. So your final answer will be 825. Correct? Okay. Similarly, if you have 86 multiplied by 11, so you write the 8. You add 8 plus 6, which is 14. You write 14 and then you write the 6. Your answer would be 946. I think it's easy now, correct? You're getting it? Even if the number is a carryover. I hope you're getting it then, right? Let's say how to do 58 times 11. What would that be? It would be 5. 5 plus 8 would be 13. And 8, that would give you 638. Correct? Extremely simple. There is a logic behind it. Okay, when we do the entire course, we tell you the logic behind how we are doing this. Correct? As of now, just have fun with numbers, feel it. Okay, let us say you have 66 multiplied by 11. 6, 12, 6. 726. Getting it? So it's way too easy to multiply than what we actually do in the conservative way of multiplying. So, this was double digit. Let's see how to handle a triple digit. Okay. For example, if you're going to have 231 and you want to multiply this with 11. 231 multiplied by 11. Now, understand guys, if this is a 3-digit number, your answer will be 4-digit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's fill up the spaces. First, you'll write the 2. Then you will add 2 plus 3. That will give you 5. Then you add 3 plus 1. That will give you 4. And the last digit 1 as it is. Are you getting it? It's very easy. Let's check. Suppose you have 703 multiplied by 11. 3-digit number, you will have a 4-digit answer. 7. 7 plus 0 will give you 7. 0 plus 3 will give you 3. And the last 3 remains as it is. Are you getting it now? It's pretty easy. Alright, let's try this. Suppose you have to do 658 multiplied by 11. 6 as it is, so 3-digit number. How much spaces do you need to have? A 3-digit number will give you a 4-digit answer, correct? 1, 2, 3, 4. 6. 6 plus 5, 11. 5 plus 8, 13. And the 8 as it is. And your answer is going to be how much? The answer is going to be 7, 2, 3, 8. Always put a practice of writing your answers from left to right. That way, you will sharpen your mathematical skills. Normally, in the conservative method of mathematics, we would do our solutions from the right to left. Try to put in this habit of writing your answers from left to right. It will increase your ability to remember numbers and to remember methods as well. Correct? Let's check this. Suppose we have 479 times 11. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Write a 4. 4 plus 7, that's going to give you 11. 7 plus 9, that's going to give you 16. And then a 9. Answer is going to be 5, 2, 6, 9. I hope all of you have understood what we are doing here. You can take your own examples and try to figure out if you can do these multiplications. Now, once you know 11, you will be able to do 22, 33, 44, 55, and so on and so forth. It's not very difficult. Once you know the technique of 11, you will be able to do how to multiply by 111, by 1111, because the logic remains the same. Now, this entire logic is taught during our course. When you join the course, it's going to be a little difficult because to teach it right now like this, because if we teach you, you are not able to talk to me since I'm making this video to introduce you to the simplest technique that we are going to use. The point here is that if we are able to talk to each other on our online courses, where I will be able to see you and we will be able to be in one class, you can ask me your doubts, I can give you a solution to your doubts, and you can understand how these shortcuts are going to change you in terms of mathematics. You will fall in love with the subject, you will improve your scores, and you will be happy as far as the logic is concerned. I hope you enjoyed today's session. I'll see you in the next session.